everyone guys, today I have got an unboxing of Google Home Mini and its first impressions. So let's begin. So it's the browser itself. So here are some features that Google can do, especially this Mini. It's powered, it's also says on the box that is powered by Google Assistant. So yeah, it can do a lot of things. So let's open the box itself. So the Google Home is presented very nicely in the packaging with rubber fit at the bottom, micro USB and mute switch. So it does not have headphone jack. 2018, welcome. Some manuals. Be safe. I don't know, there's a Google charger, I guess 2 amperes to power this up. Very nicely presented. So yeah, that's pretty much it in the box. Now let's take a look on some manuals. So yeah guys, this one's it. So you have to download Google Home app to use this Mini. So the Mini itself has 3 touch controls. One by pressing here to start and stop the music, one from here to up the volume, and from here to down the volume. You can reverse them by going in the app. You can use this by saying OK Google. So I will show you in a minute some warranty information. So now let's plug this thing in. So guys, I have set the Google up. Now let's controls that Mini can do. This is for volume up, this is for volume down, and this is for pause. Some basic questions that you can ask from the system, like, hey Google, sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday from Google, happy birthday to you.
And hey Google, what's the weather like in New York?
Currently in New York City it's 22 and cloudy. Today, it'll be cloudy, with a forecast high of 23 and a low of 15.
Hey Google, how far is the moon from the Earth?
The moon is 384,400 kilometers from Earth.
Some mathematical question. Hey Google, what is the tangent of 3?
Tangent 3 radians is approximately minus 0.143.
Hey Google, what is the sign of 3?
Here is some information about the sign of 3. Sherlock struggles to deliver the best man's speech at John and Mary's wedding reception. Sherlock tells the guests about past unsolved cases and inadvertently stumbles upon the identity of the murderer and his next intended victim.
Hey Google, do you like Siri?
I think Siri's awesome. I keep trying to schedule a group hang with her, Alexa and Cortana, but we're all so busy.
So that's pretty much it. I hope you liked the video. Be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. I will see you next time. Peace out.